Do you often throw away ripe bananas? Do you want to enjoy sweet and moist pancake without syrup? This is a healthy breakfast that makes great use of your ripe bananas that you need to eat quickly. The ingredients are buttermilk, whole wheat flour, eggs, melted butter, baking powder, baking soda, and bananas. You can change the amount of ingredients based on the number of pancakes you are making with the ratio given. We start by mixing the baking powder and baking soda together with the flour, so that the baking powder and baking soda will be well distributed in the flour. Then, in another bowl, cut the bananas into smaller pieces. Be sure to use the ripe bananas for sweetness and to make it easy to mix. Smash all the banana pieces until there are no big chunks in the bowl. When that is ready, add 1 egg to the bananas. Then add the buttermilk. Mix this up really well. The reason we use buttermilk than the regular milk is that it has higher acidity, which will stimulate more air bubbles with baking soda to make the pancake fluffy. After these are mixed, add in the melted butter for moisture, then mix again. Next, add in the flour and mix loosely. Don't overblend. As long as you can no longer see dry flour, it should be good. The thickness of the batter should fall easily when you lift the batter up, but not blend back in instantly. Heat up a pan and lightly coat with some oil. When the pan is hot, pour the batter in and spread it out in a circle. Cook the pancake at medium-low flame. When the batter stops to form a lot of bubbles and the top starts to solidify, flip the pancake over and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Finally, flip once again and check for the golden brown color. The pancakes are ready to serve right away. They will be sweet and moist, so you do not need to add any syrup. You can enjoy eating delicious pancakes without added sugar.